You ready, Daddy? Yeah. Yeah, what up, gang? What up, squad? It is your boy, AreYouTherious, the realest, the coolest, the trillest young king. On these two platforms we speak. Welcome back for another lit banger, gang. We got young Mooch back in the building. We have not heard from him in a minute, but he had did this prank, sneezing on strangers prank, and it looked funny. So we're gonna go ahead and react to it, all right? If you're new, subscribe, like the video, all right? If you want me to react to some more young Mooch, all right, hit that comment section. Let me know. If you don't say nothing, how would I know? Like what Whitney Houston say? How would I know if he really loved me? No? Too much? My bad. Ha. All right, let's get it though, gang. Bang.
Go somewhere.
All that shit. Okay, let's do that again, because that shit was tweaking. Let's get it, gang.
Bro, get your go somewhere.
Hey, watch out! Hey, watch out!
What the
Huh?
Did you sneeze on me?
Damn. Gang, y'all can already tell it's finna be a banger.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy. Oh my God, it's Young Mooch, man. Look, man, today's video, as I could tell by the title, you know, I got some sprays with me, you know, and I'm gonna be pretending like I'm sneezing on random strangers. Now, I don't know how they're gonna react. I know they're gonna be mad though, cause nobody like getting sneezed on. And we're gonna get these people reaction, man. Make sure y'all like, comment if you're new to the channel. Hit that subscribe button, man. Let's go sneeze on people.
That boy ain't got no squalls.
Sitting down. I'm about to go prank. I'm about to sneeze on one of them. See how this go, y'all. Oh my God.
What's wrong with you, bro? You good? You sneeze
Bro.
on me,
Yeah. I can't
You ain't gonna say excuse me?
What you mean?
You ain't gonna say excuse me?
I just like sneezing, bro.
Fuck you like sneezing for, man? You know you this nigga just sneeze on me.
What you mean? No, I know where I'm at.
I will put my foot up your ass so far you be burping shoe pies, dude. Get your...
Hey, watch out!
Oh!
Hey, watch out!
Oh!
You good? Alright, y'all good. Watch out! Yo, slide, yo, it's a video. It's a video. And we recording. It's a video. We filming. Alright, you good? Yo, slide, bro. Watch out. Alright, you good? Watch out, you good, bro? Hey, look, yo. Come on, let's go.
No!
Let's slide.
Damn, they were about to
What the
want to
fuck?
buckle your shoe.
Huh?
Why the fuck you do that shit? Did you just sneeze on me?
I'm a little, like, sick.
I don't give a fuck. Why the fuck did you do that shit? That shit nasty as fuck.
I'm sick.
Bro, get your ass off somewhere. The fuck?
What you doing?
Not no milkshake. Hey, gang. Now, I don't know if y'all ever had a milkshake thrown on you or in your face. I have. And the person that has done it is in the other room right now. Destiny, remember you threw that milkshake in my face? Y'all can't hear us right now. I don't know what she on. But, bro, hey, it is not fun, son. You know, especially when he wasn't going to drink it, you know what I'm saying? But when you expect you finna drink a milkshake and instead it gets thrown on you, it just ruins your day, man. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, I know she's pissed off that she gonna have to get another milkshake. Not only that, she got sneezed on, and this dude got a whole milkshake in his face, bruh. Not a good look, my buddy. Not a good look. If y'all see me keep scrolling my shit down, it's just gonna make sure that my video is still screen recording, cause it has a habit of stop screen recording without me knowing, and I'm literally doing this shit for no reason. So that's why I'm doing it. So excuse me. Let's get back into it though.
That shit.
Okay.
That shit weird as fuck.
I'm sick.
I don't give a fuck.
Oh, you tripping.
The fuck?
Oh, you tripping.
Weird ass shit, bro.
I was a little sick.
I don't give a fuck. That's some weird ass shit.
I can't control
Fuck
it.
no. Fuck.
Oh
Go
my
sneeze on somebody
God.
else.
You're tripping.
The fuck?
I ain't gonna lie. It was a spray. I was filming you. It was a YouTube video.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
Nah, you good.
I'm
You good.
sorry.
We was recording you the whole time.
Sorry.
You was on camera.
Boy, shut up.
Oh my God.
Damn, I'm sorry for that. Damn.
I understand.
I'm like, man,
You
can I at
okay?
least
It's
like
okay.
get your number
I
or
get a
something?
hug from you, like a little side
Yeah.
hug? Yeah, it's okay. Y'all, I see this guy shopping. I'm about to get him. I'm about to get him mad.
Dude, man, what's up?
What you mean?
What's all that about, man?
What you mean, bro?
What are you doing, man?
Tell me what
Damn.
I'm doing.
Come on, man, sneezing on me like that. Can your mama teach you lessons?
I can't sneeze on you?
No, man, it's COVID and shit. What's wrong with you,
Why
man?
why are you getting in my space,
Because,
though?
man, you're doing this shit to me, man. What's wrong with you, man?
It's a little sneeze.
Yeah,
Relax.
whatever, dude.
It's just a sneeze.
Well, I don't care.
He
shit.
got on.
You could go
I
shopping.
don't care.
Okay,
you go
could-
shopping.
I am.
Get the hell out of my fucking face, man.
What you said?
Damn.
What you said, bro?
You heard what I said.
Okay, you can keep shopping. I'm
No,
good.
whatever, dude. You need to
Yeah,
back the
you
fuck up.
can keep shopping.
Man.
You can keep
Oh,
shopping.
man. Piece this nigga.
Dude, what's wrong with you?
Piece him up. Piece him
Alright,
up.
you good?
Yes.
Alright, stop.
Piece
You
him
good,
up.
bro?
No,
Stop
no,
touching me.
no,
Okay,
no, no,
okay.
Piece him
No,
up.
we're not good.
Alright,
We're not
okay,
good, man.
okay.
Hey,
You
man, I'll
good?
make it through 2 months of Iraq. I can take care of your ass.
Alright, you can stop touching me. I'm not touching you, bro.
Piece him
I'm
up.
not
Don't
touching
do that
you.
again, man.
Okay, I'm not
It's
touching you.
nasty.
Okay, you good though.
Piece this nigga up, bro.
Bye. See ya.
Tell that nigga go see
You got to touch
TT.
me though.
Whatever.
Go see TT.
Alright, stop touching me, bro. You
Really?
good? You
Touch
good?
him again.
Stop touching me.
I
Yeah,
bet
I'm
you
an old
he
man,
ain't
but
got
that
no
means shit.
squabbles,
Okay,
bro.
stop
He
touching
ain't
me. I
got no
don't hurt you.
squabbles.
Whatever. You or nothing. Man.
Alright, stop touching me.
Whatever.
The
Alright.
nigga ain't got no squabbles, bro. Lay it on him.
No, that's it. That's it, man.
Alright, you good? It's recording you. We're recording. You're on camera, man. You on camera, bro. You on camera. We're recording you. It was in the sneeze. You were on.
Research shows nostalgia can help you remember
Fuck.
ads. So customize and save with Liberty Mutual.
At Domino's, order carryout online or by phone and get any one-topping pizza for $7.99 each.
Camera. People are sitting down. I'm about to go get them right now. No, anybody. I think I see 2 girls. We're gonna see how this goes.
Uh-oh. And they fine, too. Come on, bro. You should have chose somebody else.
What the fuck?
Huh?
What the fuck? Did you sneeze on me?
She said, what the fuck?
I'm a little sick.
You're sick.
Yeah.
You're fucking sneezed on her, bro.
Huh?
You realize you sneezed on her?
Yeah, I did.
What the fuck? You're literally
Bro,
Yeah, no, you're nasty as fuck. Like,
bro.
you, like, exactly.
I'm a little sick.
Nah, bro, that shit's weird as fuck. You could have sneezed anywhere.
But my sneeze is
Nah,
my
like, get the fuck. Yeah, no, bro,
My-
get
my
the fuck.
sneeze- my sneeze
Nah,
is
get
clean,
the fuck.
though.
Nah, your sneeze is
This nigga
clean.
said my sneeze is
That
clean.
shit's
How your
stupid as fuck,
sneeze
bro.
clean,
What
bro?
you mean?
That shit, bro.
I can't sneeze on
Piss
you.
me off.
Bro,
You
he
can't
better
sneeze
get
on me.
both
You
they
just
numbers. They ain't
that's just
bad.
nasty as fuck.
Okay, you don't gotta yell at me though.
Bro, no, that shit's nasty. Exactly. So if I sneeze on you, it's gonna be cool.
Yeah, you look good, so I take your sneeze.
You,
They got the Chick-fil-A on there.
you're weird as fuck, bro.
What you mean?
No,
it
like
was a little
that.
sneeze.
No, that shit's so fucking weird.
Okay, you could calm down.
Nah, no, calm down. You just fucking sneeze on me.
Ain't gonna lie, we filming you. It's a video. Yeah. It's a video.
Bro, that shit.
It was a video the whole time.
That shit.
I apologize.
Nah,
Nah, it was a joke.
That
It was a little joke.
No,
Look,
bro.
nah, it was a
What
joke.
a way to break the ice,
It was a
though.
video, I promise.
What a way to break the
I
ice.
wouldn't sneeze on you.
You wouldn't sneeze
I'm
on
sorry, I apologize. I get a hug.
me. No.
No hug? Oh. I see somebody.
Hey, I hope he got
shopping.
this.
I think it's a couple. I'm gonna go mess with this
You know what
couple,
I'm
y'all.
saying? You know, let him hit one time. Put it one time.
Man, what the fuck, bro?
What you mean?
Man, you just sneeze on me, bro?
I can't. I like to sneeze.
Nah, bro, you just sneeze on me, bro?
Are you good, bro? Don't
Nah,
touch
bro.
me.
Nah,
Don't
bro. What
touch-
you mean? Don't touch you? Don't sneeze on me. Hey, bro, don't touch me, bro.
Oh.
Watch out, you good, bro? Why are you touching me, bro?
Cause you sneezed on me, nigga. What the
What
fuck?
you mean I sneezed on you, bro? It's I sprayed. I didn't sneeze on you, bro. You good? It's a video. We was recording you, bro. Huh?
I'm gonna need all of
What
that.
she finna do?
Like
I ain't
What
sneezed on
she
you, bro.
finna
You
do?
good.
She ain't finna do nothing,
Bro,
bro.
you fucking sneezed on me, bro.
Nah, bro. You good? You good, fam? What's up, bro? You good? You good? You good, bro? You good, bro?
What she finna do? She finna break it up?
I'm gonna need you to stop recording.
I see a girl walking.
Homie ain't got no squabbles, bro. Somebody need to lay his ass down, son.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Nigga, what the fuck is wrong with you?
My nose a little stuffy.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Why the fuck is you so damn close to me?
I just like sneezing on pretty
fuck, That
strangers.
shit weird as fuck. I'm not gonna lie to you. That shit's weird as fuck.
I can't
This
sneeze.
nigga just fucking sneeze on me or whatever the fuck he did.
I can't
Fuck,
sneeze.
wet mouth ass. The fuck?
I can't.
He said wet mouth ass. And my hair fucked up.
My nose stuffy.
Fuck, nigga.
I can't.
Oh, she called him a
can't sneeze.
fuck nigga.
What the fuck do you want?
I can't sneeze.
Damn,
Yo,
she
yo, yo,
bad,
yo,
too.
yo, hold
He
on,
must
hold
live
on,
in
hold on.
Atlanta
I'm
or
doing a
something.
video. Look, I didn't sneeze on you. Look right there, all the way down. He recording you. He recorded you. Yeah, I didn't sneeze on you. I promise. It's a little
okay.
spray.
Yeah, he
it
must
was
got a
joke. I
good
promise.
zoom lens. I mean,
I
my
promise
lens
it was a
is
little
decent.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I ain't mean to.
You know what I'm saying?
Man, I apologize.
But, like,
look,
his shit must go
You
far.
actually look good. Like, that's why I told you it's a video.
Stop, mama.
I get your number. I'm not gonna sneeze on you. I'm not gonna. I get your
Hey,
number.
that's what I'm talking about.
Why you was backing up?
Cause that shit was
You know what I'm
weird.
saying? You know what I'm saying?
It was a little joke. I apologize.
Sheesh.
I apologize.
Young Mooch got the cooch.
What's her name?
Young Mooch got the cooch.
You look pretty.
Thank you.
So I get a little
Nah,
hug.
she has facts.
Sure.
I ain't sick of nothing. Like, I'm a clean dude.
For sure. For sure.
So it's nice meeting you. I'm Malik, by the way.
Okay, hey Malik.
You still look a little like weirded out.
Malik better hit them cheeks. Malik better
I
hit
get one
them
more.
cheeks.
I've been waiting here. It's
Stop,
tired.
daddy.
Tired. It's so hot, y'all.
Go to YouTube. Stay on YouTube.
Say some on me. So hot. I've been seeing some people, y'all. I don't know. I've been hot. Oh my God.
Yo, what's going on, man?
Oh, I'm a little sick. I like to sneeze sometimes.
So you're gonna sneeze on my neck?
I'm a little sick.
You gotta hold that in, man. Cover your mouth or something.
I'm a little sick.
I don't care if you're sick. Hey, you can get in there if you're sick. Don't be out here sneezing on people.
I like to do that.
Nah, I already had COVID. I don't need COVID again, man. You gotta get away from me. Hey, get the hell out of here. I'm not messing with you.
I can't sneeze on you.
No, man.
Let me sneeze on you.
Hell
Let me
no.
sneeze on you one time.
Hell no, I'm out of here.
What you mean? I can't sneeze.
Please,
can't.
I'm dirty.
What'd I tell you?
What you mean?
I'm not messing with you.
Stick.
Relax. I'm a little sick,
Stick
bro.
it.
No, I don't care if you're sick.
Just like, go see
You
mommy.
can go to the nurse's
What
office
you
if you're
doing,
sick. Don't be
bro?
sneezing on people.
Okay, I'm a little sick. That's all, bro.
I don't care if you're sick.
Dude, I'm a little.
Dude,
Hey,
get out of here.
we recording. We're recording.
here.
It's a video.
I don't want to be on no video. I don't got time
It's a
for
prank.
videos.
Look, I didn't sneeze
I
on
don't
you.
care about no
It's
pranks. I
a
don't want to be on your TikTok.
it's a video. I didn't sneeze on you. It was a spray.
Oh, get the hell out of here.
You good?
No, man.
You sure? I didn't sneeze. Yeah, you mad, bro. What the hell?
Young Mooch. Young Mooch. Young Mooch. Young Mooch. Young Mooch. Guys, I apologize. I was trying to parent and work at the same time. That's just how it is right now. When I get my new spot, I'm at my own little space. God dang, where I can, you know what I'm saying? I have my own little dojo where it's just me, you, and the video we watching. Alright, so y'all just gotta, you know what I'm saying? I apologize on my behalf, you feel me? But anyway, man, this dude, man, he a young cat. You know, sucks that he ain't got no squabbles, but he's still funny, bro. He's still, like, he's very, you know, creative as a content creator, bro. Like, you know, I think this has been done, but I don't know, he always take it to another level, you know what I'm saying? Like, and it's still interesting, like, you know, yeah, it's been done, but like, it's basically, I'm speaking on people that think you have to create your own lane just to be popping, or just to make it, or just to do this, just to be big, you know? You don't gotta make your own lane. Sometimes you can do what someone else is doing, but do it better. YouTube is just a copycat league, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not the first one to do reactions, but I do it because it gets views, it gets subscribers, you know what I'm saying? And other people follow trends as well. So, you know, it's just the matter of who does it best, or who people like the most. You know what I'm saying? Like, people watch me and wouldn't watch No Life Shaq. People watch No Life Shaq, but wouldn't even think about watching me. So you just gotta, you know, you gotta appeal to the people, you know what I'm saying? And he appeals to the people, he's funny, you know what I'm saying? And he got a little swag on him, little young cat doing his thing, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to you, I just be bullshitting, even though I'm for real, I'm serious, he don't got no squabbles, but he still, you know, it's all for content, and it's funny, so Anyway, man, if you're new, subscribe. Like I said before, like the video. Comment if y'all want me to react to some more young mooch, man. I won't know unless you say it. So I need y'all to comment. You know what I'm saying? And let me know what's good, man. Until next time, your boy's out. Daddy, come on with your crybaby stuff. He's the one that I was parenting, and he was doing all that mess. Come on, Daddy. What you got to say? Wait. Say bye. All right, blow him kissy. Blow him kissy. Blow. All right, now say deuces. Deuces. All right, now close it out.